Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you have had a great Latitude so far. You know, exactly 40 years ago, Ronald Reagan said that the 9 most horrible or dangerous words in English are I'm from the government, I'm here to help. We are from the government. Don't know whether to help, but still. Anyway, my name is Priit Kallakas. I'm the Director General for the Business Diplomacy at Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And I'm really glad, together with my great colleague Celia Kuningas-Saakpak, the Ambassador at Large for the Nordic-Baltic Cooperation, to officially open the New Nordics Gateway area here at Latitude 59.
Thank you, Priit. So we are here to pitch about our region and tell you how fascinating and fantastic NB8 region is. Indeed, 2026 is a very important year for us, as Estonia is chairing the NB8 countries cooperation format. And this format brings together Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Finland, Sweden, Norway, Denmark, and Iceland. Please raise your hands who are from these countries. Oh, I'm glad to see quite a few. But today is not really only about diplomacy and politics. It is also about how these countries cooperate, about our practical cooperation, about entrepreneurship, innovation, technology, and trust.
And Latitude is probably the best place to demonstrate the New Nordics cooperation, innovation, mindset, and its essence. As you know, we are not the world's biggest countries, but somehow we have a proven record that year to year we have many influential international companies emerged, whether it is Spotify, Klarna, Skype, Wise, Bolt, etc., you know even better. Together we form a 33 million people community, and we are the 10th largest economy in the world. And as from the foreign ministry, I really love maps. And I dare you to imagine another region globally where 8 more or less neighboring countries form a region that is so like-minded, so connected with common market. I think there is none of this parallel. Celia, when you started to build the Nordic-Baltic presidency or chairmanship, what was your big idea and ambition behind it?
Well, first, when you look at the world, it has become very unpredictable, very fragmented and competitive. So NB8 stands out as we are very unique, we are like-minded, and we share the same strategic outlook. We see the challenges in our region and beyond in a very similar way, and we see the same way also how to tackle these challenges. So while we prepared for our NBA chairmanship this year, we had 3 keywords in mind. First, coordination. We would like to coordinate more our policies to be more aligned in NATO and the EU frameworks, and also to find new areas and ways for cooperation. Secondly, visibility. We would like to build NB8 as a very visible, well-recognized global brand. And third, integration. The less barriers we have between our countries, the more competitive we can become. Think of it this way. Already today, every 5th euro we make in this region comes from, we make in this region for our combined GDP, comes from our internal interactions, and there is certainly room to increase that.
But exchanging money inside the region doesn't make us wealthier. That's why we have to take the New Nordics to wider world, and I'm really glad to do it together with Latitude. You know, the foreign ministry's role is usually to open doors to our companies, especially in distant markets, but the startup ecosystem is the place where government usually don't get involved. And therefore, I'm extremely glad that Latitude helps us and our companies to open doors worldwide, whether in Singapore, whether in South Africa or Kenya, for our companies, for Estonia itself, to be more visible and take us to the wider world. But from the political perspective, where do you see NB8 has the New Nordics has the biggest impact?
Well, without any hesitation, first thing that comes to my mind is helping Ukraine. Together, we are the world's biggest supporters of Ukraine. We have been providing so far more than 42 billion euros of help to Ukraine. And we are all committed to continue to do so until Ukraine is victorious. And next year, we will hold in Tallinn, together with Ukraine and hopefully with very close coordination with our NBA partners, Ukraine's Reconstruction Conference. I'm sure you will hear more about this in upcoming months. And secondly, of course, we are very democratic, very innovative, very digitalized, transparent societies, and I think this has inspired the world as well.
So therefore, I very much hope that the area will give you a new platform to meet, whether with the government institutions, with the investors, startups, etc. And hopefully it creates a basis for the new moonshot ideas, what we have been used to creating for the past decades.
So this area is for new partnerships, new ideas, be bold, work together, cooperate, and if you leave with slightly bigger ambition than you came here, I think we have been successful. Thank you.
So see you at the new Nordics Gateway area.